fucking fantastic.
I can't get it that
Nah,
way.
you're crushing him. See a fin before too long, I'd wager. G'day guys, it's your boy Nat Sharky Shorten back for another episode of Fisherman's Diary. Back with the man herself, Sonya. And tonight we're going to be shark fishing off Cabbage Tree Point, something I've wanted to do for a long time. Hopefully tonight it can work. I've had one run here before. We've got the kayak on the roof. We've got some stank ass pike eel on the back. And we've got two shark rods. We're here. Yeah, it's pretty bad. I thought it was a cane fields, but it ain't the fucking cane fields. So right now guys, what it's all about is getting the baits out before dark, hopefully taking a run before dark. I did it on purpose. I did it on purpose. Alright guys, no knife, but we're in with a, where there's a will, there's a way. Don't ask why I've got a saw in my car, by the way. Fuck, that worked.
Is that enough to hold that bad boy on? That looks like a flimsy ass thing.
Is what enough?
Like that, is that enough skin to hold that?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
You need as much hook exposure as possible. About 2.5, 3 metre trace. We've got 150 pound mono, about 5 to 10 metres of that. Then we've got about 400 metres, 80 pound braid as backing. So yeah, it's game time. The other rod's a bit heavier than this, but this rod still should handle any shark under 2. If we hook something over 2, I probably will have to kayak it down, but. Okay guys, rod number 2 going down. Fucking hell. Just left the camera on for another 20-minute video, guys. So loving that. Fuck's sake.
I better be in.
Yeah, some of it might get cut. Some of the conversation might get cut. Just so the sun is setting. Probably got an hour. What's the time? Yeah, we've probably got on the dot an hour until kind of last light. So 6 o'clock.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yep. So now's the time where something may well happen, guys. But I'm gonna go. Hey.
We're looking for bombs.
We're looking for a quick zzz, just to let them know. Let us know that they're there. You know. Need a tap. But I'm.
Ocean floor.
That was good. That's probably the best moment in this channel's history, I reckon. We've got one already. Shark on, guys. Yeah, I think so. Of course it took while we were both away from the kayak. It's a pretty big one. I'm worried about that. Marker.
Was it supposed to flash?
It should be on. I'm pretty sure it is.
Back to the show.
Nah, the back won't show it.
Okay, cool. Let's assume that it is. Not blame you.
It's pretty big. Oh, I'd be at least 1.5, maybe bigger. It's a long way out there. But I've got him turned. I just got to get him away from this marker. We're on, guys. Properly on. He's just swimming in that channel at the moment, which is good.
Tiring out, eh?
Sometimes, yeah, I know, right? Sometimes it's the best way to do it because he was on it for a while, so the hook hold might be great, not be great.
Yeah.
If you bend, if you bend up and down, sometimes you can jiggle the hook out of their mouth. So running up the beach is not a bad idea sometimes. Hell yeah. Yeah, he's a metre. I'm gonna call 1.7. Yeah, I'm gonna go 1.7. What do you guys reckon? What do you think?
1.2.
Oh, he's.
What drag you upset?
This is 80 pound.
Yeah.
A good shark. He's not a 2. A 2, and I would have been in the kayak by now. He's not a 2, but that first run was pretty solid.
How about I split 1.5?
You know that one we caught in the Logan River?
Yeah.
He was nearly a metre.
Yeah.
And that was on 8 pound. This is 80 pound.
Right.
And if he wants to run, like he's about to now, then let him run.
And enjoy it.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the way.
Did you put it out with the yak or?
Yeah.
Okay.
Big cut of pike eel.
Sorry?
Big cut of pike eel it is.
Yep. Now, in the cross channel or just in this main channel?
Cross channel.
Yeah.
So,
You might be in luck, my friend.
yeah, I think it's a good animal. Now's when the other one will go off too, I reckon. It's always the way.
Oh, if I have to, I'll grab your other.
Nice, nice. No slack. Keep it up.
Doesn't help that I'm a left. Yeah.
Don't forget to guide that line onto the reel too. Yeah, you don't have to worry about it
Definitely not doing that.
too much, but yeah, don't forget that is something that has to do.
That's all good. You have done.
Yeah,
I've only caught little sharks.
yeah.
Biggins.
The first big one.
This is a new kettle of fish.
New kettle of fish indeed. Unless you're just winding the brick in.
Don't tell me that now.
Yeah. Oh, it's happened to me before. Where,
Felt him.
there he is, yeah, there's a big head shake. It's happened before where they've just died in the arse and you thought, geez, I hope this isn't just a brickhead just swimming towards you. Yeah, there's a pull.
That's it.
Nice, yes, use that leverage.
Hey.
Wind. Don't give me me slack.
And the bloody...
Yeah, there's a lot going on.
Doesn't help again that I'm left-handed, eh?
Yeah.
Things are not designed for
It's
it.
not our fault, alright? We're born that way. It's a card
You should be changing.
Yeah, right.
Exactly.
Yeah, he's swimming a bit of a lefty loo now. He was going right before.
I know.
So he's going against the tide, that's alright. He's burning himself out even more. How good, I'm glad it happened before dark.
Yeah.
Fighting them in the dark is usually a bit tricky.
No, big sharks in the dark.
Yeah. Dragging them out as well is never fun.
That's when you cut them off.
Yeah.
Take a photo, cut.
How's that spot looking? Oh, fucking fantastic.
I can't get it that
Nah, you're crushing him. See a fin before too long, I'd wager.
I'm definitely not going to snap your rod, right?
No, the rod won't snap. You'll snap before the rod will. It's meant to bend.
And even if it does, it's still a prize.
Yeah, and the drag, yeah, that's it. If the rod snaps, we get more views.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yep.
He's really deciding to swim that way now.
Yeah, he's definitely turned on us.
Yeah. These people are tired of watching. They're like, hurry up and bring the cunt in, let's go. Nah, it's all good. You've turned the rod around. There you go, that's it. Nice and tight, keep it tight. Keep it tight. Walk to me, keep walking, keep walking, keep walking. Nice and tight, nice and tight. He's shaking his head.
Racing towards us.
Yeah, he really is.
Keep going then. Just walking a bit further then.
What is he doing?
Walk towards us a bit.
Yeah.
So we've got the rod up.
Yep, keep coming.
Black dude,
Keep coming down here.
we've lost it.
Nah, he's still swimming towards us. Here, walk towards me and wind.
No, that feels like it's black ass.
Really?
Yeah.
Down now.
No, we've lost it, dude.
No, he's there.
He's still there.
Yeah, he's there. I'll get him past this shelf and I'll get back to you.
I needed a tag out anyway.
Yeah. He's coming up to the surface.
Call it a bull shark, you know.
Hey?
I'm gonna call it a bull shark.
Yeah.
It's not doing too much for you.
I'm thinking it probably is.
These better a weird
You would have wanted a run, another run by now.
Taking us off.
No, you got him, you got him. Just loosen that up a little. Yeah, he's 1.8, he's a good bull shark. He's still got a lot of energy too. Yeah.
Where do I want to head?
Let's keep walking down here. Yeah. Just make sure there's no slack. Walk at the same pace he's going at, and just make sure that lines. You see the pole I'm talking about? We're just just making sure it doesn't get anywhere near that.
I have no idea where it is.
Okay.
But I don't know how I avoid him getting around it.
Pulled through? Nah. He's got around something. Fuck.
out there.
I think he's just got into a bunch of weeds. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Yeah, go that way. Go that way. Yeah, we're off it now. Yeah. Yeah, he's coming this way.
Doesn't go around to go on the boat ramp, but
just doesn't like that channel. Once we're past that channel, we'll be cheering.
This by sheer luck he's wrapped around that line.
Nah, we would have heard it by now. I've dropped that one past the red marker.
Oh,
so we should. Oh, there's tail. There's tail.
There you go. What do you got?
Bull, I think.
The ball?
Yeah. Do you want to grab the rod and I'll wrangle him in, or? Absolutely.
What's Sonya doing?
She's checking that one. Oh shit! Sorry. Keep winding. Keep winding, no slack.
Keep going, brother. You're all good. Nothing behind you. Keep going.
Come on, darling. Yeah, I know, sweetie. You. You're right, big girl. You're okay. Well done. Hey. Yeah. Yeah. So you drop the bait out on the kayak, and then you put the rods on land and wait for the So they're not in too close, but the channel doesn't run too far out there. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Get that air in your gills, sweetie. Good girl. There we go. Come on. Come on.
Nice, man. So cool.
It's just Fisherman's Diary on YouTube, guys, if you wanted to check it out.
Fisherman's
Fisherman's Diary, that's me.
Okay.
So easy. Go, guys.